Oh yeah. If I get EDC, if I get out. Yeah. So I bought myself a birthday present, and let's just get into it. Because why not? I am super excited. This, of course, comes from Knife Center. How many times have I mentioned y'all over at Knife Center? This is a Knife Center exclusive Shirogorov piece. Looks like it comes with this, which says Shirogorov Knives Authenticity Card. It's the neon Northern Lights, I believe it is. The Knife Center Edition Cromax PM. And it's got the black and the orange micarta for the handle, and the pivot system is, I don't really know what that is, and there's my serial number for y'all to have. Look at that glistening on that card. Oh, look at that rainbow. Look at that. I just love the Shirogorov logo. Fantastico. Fantastic. All right. And then look at this box. Box has a little glisten to it. I think I did my lights. I see I got a burnt out bulb. Alright. Didn't notice that before. Fantastico. I guess that's the word of the day. Changes. It changes. Oh, sweets. I love you. My doggy. Yeah, by the way, so birthday month, and my dog is really sick, and it sucks. It sucks. All right, let's bust out this guy here. Little Civivi. Go with the cheap one. I saw Sean Kusan do this. Thank you, Sean, for your look at that, for your fantastic videos. Check his videos out. All right, now Fidget Fix is his. Yeah. Okay. Happy birthday to me. Yes. This is my birthday present to myself. I will not tell a lie. I didn't know it was going to be so small. Wow. So, looks like we got ourselves something to not let it dry up. And a fancy... Oh, this is going on one of my cases. Yeah. Look at that. I just love the logo. I just fell in love with the logo. Might have to get some of the beads. Might not. Whatever. Nah. Oh, look at that. So, we'll just set that aside. Look at that beauty. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at that. Oh. Here's the the logo. My first Shirogorov knife. Went soft in. You sure can't spend a lot of money on these. Oh, there's a better little one. A little better light there. Oof. Wow. And let's just look at that. It's got that hole all the way through it. It's got this little this thing here and the 3 there. I don't have all the knife lingo down, even though I've watched so many of those videos too. I think a lot of knife. I'm reading a lot of comments about other people like me who came to fidgets from knives. So, okay, and look at this. Yes, just kind of a show-off video. You'll see this knife in a lot of my future videos, opening boxes, I'm sure. And it's, as they say, as advertised, beautiful detent, or beautiful opening. And then, of course, I know you're supposed to let it fall all the way. Oops, I think I'm clamping it there. So I did read that that's a thing. So once you don't do that, that works better. Oh yeah, look at that. Let's just get that out of there. So we have the background. Oh my goodness. Well, I just unboxed it myself, so I'm just kind of as fascinated with it as I hope you are. Look at this little like boop 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 ba-doo ba-doo. Yeah. That is so nice. Oof. Oof da. Oh my goodness. As advertised. Wowza. So who knows? Maybe I'll have to buy some more of these. But probably not. People think you're crazy when you play with knives all the time, huh? I mean, anyways, that's one of the comments. People are like, I like fidgets because you can play with it in public and nobody looks at you like you're crazy or want to kill them. And I agree, because that's how I feel. Anyways, this is going to be long enough. This is just... Oh, we should look at this little thing too. Cromax PM. Oh, it's a beaut. She's a beaut. Ugh. I'm gendering it because we want it to be soft, a soft presence in our lives. Knives. I say, ooh, 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 ooh. Yeah, I say, it's true. Oh, yeah. Where's my little thing? There it is. Thanks y'all for coming. Peace and love. And I'll see you next time.